you having fun this morning?
Holy moly, it's not raining and we even have a little bit of sun. Goodness. Hi, Tux. Good morning, girls. Good morning. Yeah, I mean, there's actual bona fide sunshine. See? Sunshine. I guess rain is in the forecast for later in the week, but if we could have a day, even if it's only one, to dry out, I'm all for it. Good morning, Stripe. Good morning, Morris. Hi, I'm coming with the food. This is improvement that he's not run off farther already. I mean, I'm within 20 feet. Hi, Morris. I don't want him to be afraid of me, even if he doesn't come over for pets, you know? Hi, Stripey!
Hey there, the sun's trying to come out.
I know, I'm so excited to see the sun, I just can't tell you.
Yeah, well, if that wind picks up, it'll drive some things off, but isn't it supposed to rain tomorrow or something?
We have more rain this week.
More rain. Yeah.
So we should enjoy the sun while we have it.
Yeah, for the couple hours, yeah.
Yeah. We were very sad to hear that there was a tornado in eastern North Carolina, and apparently a couple people lost their lives last night. It never got that bad here, but we had several more inches of rain. The creek in the front yard was so loud inside the house that I had trouble understanding if that was rain coming down or the creek just, you know, rushing that bad. And the rain had stopped and it was real. I can still hear it down there. Well, I'll walk in a little bit with Tux, and yeah, we had a lot more rain. When we had some thunder and lightning, but we didn't have any winds here that I heard.
No Lego bricks.
I need my medium nougat so I can switch back over to the candy store. Wall bricks. I'm waiting on that special color.
Yeah, well, I keep waiting for them Krispy Kreme donuts in the mailbox, too.
My Lego bricks don't have any calories. They do look a lot colorful though. They're very colorful. It's walk time. Let's go. Come on, girls. It's 50 and windy. It's supposed to be near 60 today. I assume if the sun stays out, we'll make it. That's why we had tornadoes last night. Can't go from 35 to 50, 60 degrees and not have some turbulence in the atmosphere. Yep, there's a good bit of water this morning. There you are. Well, he made the whole walk with me. He has another little infected spot on his head, but I don't think he needs antibiotics at this time, so I'm gonna monitor. Hi, honey. Should I sit and spend some time with you? Hi, Gray. Couple hours have passed and I'm up here with Stripe listening to the hawks fly overhead. Maybe that means something. And giving him some attention in the sun. And wow, the sun even feels warm. Imagine that. Hey, Stripey. Well, it's turned out to be a beautiful day. I am headed to my chiropractor's office in North Raleigh. Gonna be a nice drive. Don considered going with me, but just isn't in a position with work to go for the drive, although I think he was a little jealous that on this very pretty day he's stuck at his desk. It'll take me about 50 minutes to get up there. My appointment's at 3 o'clock. I will have to be a little bit careful because it's that windy. I sent the directions from my phone to the car. Here they are. So we're good. Yeah, it's gonna take me right through downtown just as if I was taking Johnny to school and then veer off toward the chiropractor's office. The town police Facebook page kind of asked people to sort of avoid South Park today. I guess all week they're doing COVID testing. However, it doesn't look like there's any line. They're there until 4 p.m. I certainly plan to try to avoid it all week as asked before 4 p.m. but there's not a line there right now. I really don't know why up Judd Parkway, where I'm turning right now, up by the post office and the government, the Wake County offices building, services building. I'm not sure why they've moved from there, except for maybe testing got moved to South Park and vaccinations are happening. I don't know. Let's see when we get up here if there's a line in this other parking lot. I turned in by the new library so we could look into the parking lot here, which is this parking lot through the woods of the Wake County services, and I don't see any thing set up there at all. You probably couldn't see, but I couldn't see. No lines, no tents. So again, I'm not sure if I understand why it's at South Park now instead of over here. This is close to the time of day as if I was headed to pick Johnny up from school. Technically, I'm just a little late. I would be pulling up at the school right now, so I left about 30 minutes later than on a school day, but just like old times, headed north on US Highway 401. Yeah, it's a bit windy out there. You can see the flags over here on the right, but the sheet's really blowing. 227 today. Come on, Ruby. I had to signal twice there to get her to go through the light. The first time she chimed, I signaled, then she started to slow down again. I find it does that a lot. Don and I are really ready to be past this. You have to acknowledge going through the intersection. Not a cloud in the sky. So over here on the right is the north side of the Wake Tech campus. It's on the right side of the road here, and obviously they're doing some widening, and this is where I-540, we talked about this a week or so ago, is going to be cut through just north of the campus, and that is what's going on here on the other side of the stoplight. It is a large clearing. Looks pretty much the same on the other side. This is not my normal path into downtown. Since I'm going straight through on 401, I've come in on the west side. Don't really like the road over here as much, and I can't say that I've missed being on the road with people running red lights, cutting over in front of you without adequate space, coming up too close behind you because they're not paying attention when traffic stops. I really can't say that I've missed any of that, and I've had all those things so far today. Yeah. I know Dr. Barnes would like to see me more often, and it's just not likely, especially when I'm not already downtown with Johnny. It's just too much. Pretty as it is. Up here just past the stoplight is the Cree wall. Can't really appreciate it from this angle or during the day. Lots of LEDs though. Cree, C-R-E-E. Yeah, I mean, it's 2:45 in the afternoon, and this is just way more traffic than I want to have to deal with. This is crazy. I guess I had forgotten how crazy it can be up here. And I may drive fine, but some of these other people out here, I'm here. Everything went good. You know, no like, oh my God, there's all these things I noticed that are great, but nothing bad either. I made an appointment to come back next Tuesday, same time, 3 p.m. So, having to work my way back home. Let me see if I put in home what it says here. I want to get across town before, you know, rush hour traffic. It was already bad enough out there. It's 3:30 now. I was inside for about a half an hour. So 29 miles, 53 minutes, 4:25 p.m. I'll probably play a little pogo, but on the other side of all of the traffic, like heading into Fuquay and Fuquay kind of a thing. So let's go. Coming into the city from the north side, headed south. A lot of the construction has been completed up there along the Peace Street Bridge. And yeah. So it is 59 degrees at 4:40 p.m. The ball field over here at South Park, the lower high school one, is just as green as it can be from the rain and the fertilizer. There's a gentle breeze out there, and I guess there's some hope that spring is right around the corner. Yeah, I think there's some hope about spring coming. It's warm here in the sunlight. I'll take it for now. Yeah, I got deer here just off the driveway. I see 3, 4, 5, 6. I see 6. And a straggler.